Hello, today I'm in Kia Ceed. In this video I'll show you how to enable and disable cruise control. In the beginning, take a look at the right side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got this panel. Press mode button until you see cruise on the instrument cluster. Now, accelerate to desired speed. Next, push this button downwards to activate cruise control. You can now let the acceleration pedal go. Push this upwards to increase the speed, downwards to decrease it. Press this button to pause it. Push this button upwards to start it from the first set speed and push it downwards to start it from the current speed. To disable cruise control, again press mode button twice. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.